Today we are going to be talking about the newest Mani by Me box. For those of you who don't know, Mele Kalikimaka means Merry Christmas in Hawaiian. So the first two polishes, they are quintessential Christmas colors. So for all of you who are like, where is the red and green combo? Well, this is your year. This month, our limited edition plates are tropical Christmas inspired. So MXM068. The second plate is MXM067. Also, the surprise gift for this month is our sparkling holographic glitter called Sparkling Palms. And sometimes we have other little extra surprises in there. So you just have to open it and find out. And again, if you need to know what website to go to, you can check out www.manixme.com.